Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you about count function in Excel. What does this count function do? Count function will count the number of cells in a selected cell range that contains only numbers. For example, if we select this cell range, so how many numbers are available in this cell range? So there are total 5 number of cells which contains only numbers. So this output we can obtain with the help of count function. Now I will show you 3 different methods to use this count function. First method is using formula bar or formula tab. Second method is using insert function command, and third method is using keyboard shortcuts. So the first thing we have to do before using any of the method is that we have to select the cell in which we want to get the output. Okay, so I have selected this cell H3 here, in which we will see how many cells are available which contains only numbers from this cell range. Okay, so here we want the output, so I will select this cell H3. Then we have to go to the formulas tab. Under formulas tab we can see one group named as function library. In this function library we can see various types of functions groups available. For example, financial functions, logical functions, text functions, date and time function likewise. But where is our count function? Count function is available under more functions and under statistical. If we come down, we can see count here. Click on this and function arguments dialog box for this count function will appear on the screen. So we can directly or manually input the numbers as well. For example, value 1 is 62, then second value is 35, third value is 97. But this is very time consuming because in this case there are only 5 cells. But what if we want to obtain the result of very huge amount of data? So in that case, typing these values manually will consume lot of time. So instead of that, we can also select the cell range. Okay, and we have to just click on the OK button. So here we have received the output as 5. It means there are total 5 number of cells which contains only numbers. So if we change this 97 to A, for example, it means we are changing from number to character. We can see that our output will reduce. So it means there are only 4 cells in this cell range which contains numbers. Okay, now we will move ahead with the second method. For example, the second method is using insert function command. Now there might be a question in your mind that how can I remember that this count function is available under statistical function? Well, I can say that there is no need to remember that which function is available under which function group. For this we have a very special command, that is insert function command, where we can search the function based on our requirement. For example, our requirement is to count number of cells. So this is our requirement. So based upon that we have to search the functions. We have to just click here all. All means it will search from the all functions which are available under formulas tab, and we have to click on the go. See here, Excel has suggested a function which is count, and it will also explain, that is count the number of cells in a range that contains numbers. So we have to click OK. So similar dialog box, that is function dialog box, function argument dialog box is appear on our screen as we have seen in the previous method. Here also we have to select the cell range and click on the OK button. So here we got the output as 5. It means there are total 5 cells which contains numbers. Here also if we change 17 to B or here C, so our output will change accordingly. It means it will count the cells which contains only numbers. Now the third method which I personally prefer is with the help of only keyboard keys. So for this we have to press equal to sign and we have to press or type count and press tab. After that we have to select the cell range and close the bracket and hit the enter button. So we got the output as 5. So in this way we can use the count function in Excel. So I hope you are now clear with all the 3 methods to use this count function. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.